Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to draw Lord Buddha's drawing just using pencil. So let's start the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. So first of all, I am going to draw the sketch of Lord Buddha, but I will use the pencil very softly on the paper, because if I use it roughly, then if I want to erase the mark, then it will not erase. So you also should do this. Actually, I think this drawing is going to be very easy. So if you just trust the process, you can draw better than me. So the purpose of making this video is very clear. Actually, the Buddha Purnima is coming, so that's why I am just making this video. If anyone find it helpful, please do like the video and subscribe to my channel. And this is really a easy process. If you just learn this process, you can actually draw anyone's face by using this process. Now just let's talk some interesting fact about Buddha. So the word Buddha in Sanskrit means enlightened one. Buddha with a capital B refers to the founder of Buddhism. The Buddha's birth name is Siddhartha Gautama. He was born in Lumbini in what is now Nepal. Buddha was the son of reality. So the Buddha founded an order of monks and nuns called the Sangha, which has preserved and passed on the Buddha's teaching from the beginning to this day. For Buddhists, Buddha is not a god, and Buddhism is not a religion. It's a philosophy and a way of life. So these are some facts which I personally found very interesting. So if you have any question or if you have any facts, then you can comment in my comment box. And also, if there are any Buddhist in my community, so please let me know. And if you like this video, and if you found this video a little helpful, so please do subscribe and like my video. Thank you.